Lindsay. And we're continuing to track several wildfires that are burning along State Route 87 right now. Starting with the Adams fire, which started near Fort McDowell on Sunday. More than 200 firefighters are still working on it, with the fire now growing to over 5,000 acres with 30% containment. Officials say that the fire is believed to be human caused. Meanwhile, to the north, the Spring Fire is burning near State Route 87 and Bush Highway. The fire is over 4,000 acres and is now 70% contained. Officials believe that this one was also human caused.
And to help prevent more wildfires, much of the state will enter Stage 1 fire restrictions this week. The Coconino, Prescott, and Tonto National Forests will all enter those restrictions beginning Thursday morning. The city of Flagstaff will do the same thing, along with BLM-managed lands in 7 Arizona counties. Under Stage 1 restrictions, fires are not allowed unless they're within an official campfire ring. Smoking and shooting a gun are also banned in most circumstances. Violations are a federal crime and could result in jail time.
The